Okay, so if you saw my last video, I did a collaboration with my friend Tyler. He has a channel called Dante's Science. It's pretty freaking epic. Not as epic as mine, of course, because, you know, no one can compare to me. But it's still pretty cool, you should check him out. But we went riding up at Bountiful Peak on my Predator bike in his Stage 1, Stage 2, I don't know, his modified Predator engine doodlebug that he made. But then we decided that we want to do another collab, but with buggies. And so we decided that we're both gonna make a off-road, like go-kart buggy type thing, and then we're gonna meet up and we're gonna race them and compete. So we made up a rule book where we put all the restrictions and limitations and what we had to have and what we couldn't have. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description for that. But one of the rules is that we are on a budget of $1,000. I was gonna say 500, but that was too low, so we changed to 800. But he's like, nah, it's still too low, so we went to 1,000. And so these are the parts that I currently have. I ordered $300 worth of stuff from Go Power Sports just so I could get free shipping. So not all of that's going onto this. Some of it's just gonna be just so I have extras when I need it. But these tires I got, these are pretty freaking cool. They might be too big, so if you're gonna say that in comments, don't. I already know. But they're off of Polaris Razor. The guy I bought them from was pretty freaking sketchy. He drove like 30 minutes down here to bring them to me, which I thought was kind of weird. And I only paid $75 for them. And I'm pretty sure the guy was a crackhead, but you know, I don't care. The seat. I got this seat for free from a guy online. I messaged him about a Can-Am seat he had for sale for $50, but he's like, what are you going to put this on? And so I started talking, and he said, I have a free Razor seat if you want. And I'm like, that'd be freaking sweet, dude. And so I got this for free. These shocks I got this morning from this kid at my school for $45. They're 18 inches, and he said that he was going to put them on a truck, but it didn't work out, so now they're mine. I also got my first sponsor of this video. So they're not really a sponsor, but I'll call them a sponsor for this video because they gave me some money. Basically, there's this organization called Grip Tape, and they do this thing called the Learning Challenge, which I did while I'm doing. And basically, you get a $500 grant for you to research something that you want to do and do your own project. I'm like, that sounds freaking epic. Just like sign a couple papers, give away my soul, and I get $500. Perfect. And so that's where the bulk of my money is coming from, is that grant. Part of the requirements for the grant, well, I kind of made it my own requirement, which I kind of regret now, is that I'm going to be working from a plan that I designed. So that's kind of a restriction. Of course, I'll be taking some artistic liberties in building this. So if I don't like how something looks from the plan, I'll change it because I just don't want to follow the plan just because I feel like I have to. I still want this to look good and still want it to be cool. With that being said, let's get into the video. well, that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If not, I'm very sorry that I wasted your time. And if you did, it'd be greatly appreciated if you give this video a like. And if you want to see more of this, you can subscribe. In the next video, though, we'll probably be working on the rear swing arm. Trying to get that all set up with all the bearings and everything. Or we'll start working on the front, and maybe we'll do the roll cage, part of the roll cage. But this is what I got so far. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as usual, I'll see you guys next time.